Owen Wilson, a very warm welcome to Inspire Middle East.
Well, I appreciate that warm welcome from Inspire Middle East.
You're on the ground in Egypt hosting a masterclass at El Gouna. What's the key lesson that you'll be giving to the students?
It's more just kind of sharing my story and my enthusiasm for movies.
Owen, El Gouna is a relatively new film festival in the region. It's only its second edition. What do you make of film festivals in the region?
This seems great, yes. We're happy to be here and be a part of it.
Now, in terms of your life story, what's one of the toughest times, the biggest challenges you remember?
For me, I think it was when I was just getting started. That whole process of test screenings and trying to get people to see the movie, and that was kind of a nerve-wracking time.
Looking back through your past films, what is one of your fondest memories?
You know, working on Midnight in Paris and getting a chance to kind of be in that city and to make a movie there was really incredible.
Is there an actor or director that you haven't worked with yet that you would particularly like to?
For some reason, when you just asked me that, I just thought of Nicolas Cage, just because I've always loved him.
Our program is called Inspire Middle East. Is there anything in particular, being here in North Africa, that inspires you about the MENA region?
For me, and my older brother's here with me, just being on the Nile and floating along the Nile and seeing the sunset, that was pretty spectacular. And just then how friendly and kind and welcoming the people have been.
Yes, they call it the warm marhaba, warm welcome in Arabic.
Yeah, and I've learned a few words.
Oh, you have?
So,
teach me.
Masalama.
Masalama. Goodbye.
Yes, goodbye. Shukran.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you, welcome.
Yeah.
Yalla, let's go, let's go.
Yalla.
This
yalla.
is a very popular one.
Yalla, yalla,
yalla,
yalla.
yalla.
Yalla,
Well, I'll
yalla.
yalla to my next question
Okay.
in that case. Arabic film. There isn't much of a crossover with the West. Do you think there could be? Are you encouraged by what you see in the scene?
I think it would be great to film something in Egypt and film sort of, you know, kind of an American story that would take place here and kind of be interwoven with some of the great stuff that I've seen here.
So we might see you filming in the sand dunes of
Maybe. I'd like it.
Just to wrap up, we have to ask you cheekily about WOW. Is it something that you've dropped in yourself to the films you've worked on, or is it scripted?
No, it's just something that apparently I've said in more than a few movies, but it wasn't planned, and it just worked out that way.
So maybe you're naturally astonished, happy, effervescent?
That's nice. That's a nice way to put it. Yeah, let's go with that. Yeah, naturally astonished, effervescent.
Thank you for speaking to Inspire.
Thank you.